You can earn free PayPal money with these two sources that I'll share with you in today's video. They work for absolutely free and even a beginner can join. If you're interested, make sure to follow me till the end of this video so you can get every step right. Just before we start, I want to remind all of you that are watching this video that if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World and also hit the notification bell on so you can get notified each time we upload brand new strategies on how to make money online. If you love this type of content, you can also give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends too, and also leave a comment down below if you have any comment or question to ask me. So without any further ado, let's now begin with this tutorial so I can show you every single step, and stay tuned because I'm going to show you how to maximize your results as well. So I'm going to proceed right away with the first source for today, and you need to come over to Irazoo.com. So you can earn free gift cards and cash with this platform because they've paid to their members more than $161 million in cash. It means that this is a legit platform. You're going to see that they recruit members just like you to do some activities because brands pay them for consumer input. So you're going to notice up here what are the things that you can do with this platform, from downloading apps, watching videos, paid surveys, completing offers, play games and so on. But there is another way to get paid with this platform and in passive income, so just stay tuned for that. If you scroll down, you're going to notice that Irazoo has been seen on the Crazy Coupon Lady, Yahoo, CNN, the Penny Harder and the Wall Street Journal, and it means that this platform has a lot of potential. They give thousands of dollars every single day. You just need to join this platform. After that, you can earn some points for doing those online tasks and then get paid again and again, and even through PayPal Cash and Amazon gift cards. So you're going to notice down here that you can collect your 100 free points if you join right away, and also what members of this platform has to say about it. You can read some testimonials over here. What I want you to do is to also go over to Trustpilot, and you're going to notice that this is a verified company according to Trustpilot, and also they have 4.6 stars out of more than 1,000 of reviews, which shows that this is an excellent platform according to their members. What I want you to do actually is to go over to refer friends underneath the earn points section, because today we are coming here in order to refer new members over to Irazoo in order to get paid in passive income. You're going to see here over their referral program page that you can just refer friends over here, and you're going to earn 500 points just for accepting your invitation, which is very nice actually. And then you're going to see that once your referral earns 1,000 of points by completing those offers, you'll get a referral bonus of 100 up to 500 points depending on the country that your referral is from. You're going to notice that you're going to just find the refer friends menu item in the app, and also how much money you can earn for each person that you refer. Of course, you're going to earn some points that you can redeem for money just like we saw before, and if you refer one person, for example, you can get 500 points. If you refer 5 people, 2,500 points and so on. And this also depends on where your referrals are from, just like we said before. If they are from the tier 1 countries, from Australia, Canada, Great Britain and US, you're going to get 500 points for just one person and so on. You can just check them out over here, but don't worry because I'm going to show you traffic source where you can find people that are interested in using this platform to make money online, and you're also going to benefit by making money in passive income. So just click here on start referring or join button in the upper right corner in order to put your information. After that, you're going to be able to find your referral code and the refer friends menu item in the app. So I'm going to proceed right away to the second platform for today that you can make money in passive income. This is over at rewardingways.com. With Rewarding Ways, you can get paid to just complete surveys, but also some other tasks as well. But we're also going to take advantage of their referral program. They pay you through different payment methods, including PayPal, Skrill, Amazon, Tango gift cards, and Bitcoin, and payments are made within 24 hours, so you don't need to wait. And you can get paid from the comfort of your home and also get a free join bonus. But let's check out some of the reviews from Trustpilot. For example, they got like 4.6 stars out of more than 851 of reviews, and also this is a verified company. Also, you can go over to reviews.io to see that people have rated it with 4.8 stars out of 5, which is pretty awesome, and 97% of reviewers recommend this platform. So what you need to do is to even scroll a little bit down and to see some other features as well. For example, they've paid to their members more than $2 million, which shows that once again this is a legit platform, but also that is paying people decent amounts of money. And you're going to notice that you can earn cash and points. You're going to redeem those points for cash, but also also gift cards. So you're going to earn PayPal cash by completing those surveys, by watching videos, taking part in paid trials, playing online games and offers, and so on. And they pay you through different gift cards beside PayPal cash, just like Amazon gift cards, Starbucks gift cards, Nike, and many more. If you scroll down, you're going to notice that the referral program is located here underneath the Earn Money Online section at the bottom of the page. And you're also going to notice down here that they have been around since 2011. So it's been 11 years that this platform is out there paying people by doing those tasks. So just click on the referral program the section over here, and then it's going to take you over to this page where you're going to notice, of course, that you can earn money and passive income, which is our main focus on today. You're going to earn 25% of everything that your referrals earn, and for life. For example, if a person that you referred over here completes a $4 survey, you're going to get paid $1 immediately, and you're going to see that you can locate your referral link on a referral link and banners page. Just click here on join us today in order to join them, to create your account by putting your first name, last name, username, a password, repeat the password, put the email address and repeat it. Then you need to put your address, your city, your state if you are from United States, but of course you can even choose your own country over here because it is almost available all around the world. So just let me know if this platform works in your country too. Then you need to just put your postal code and then the payment account. If you want to get paid through PayPal, just put your PayPal email over here. And since even Irazoo paid you in PayPal money, just make sure to get paid in the same way with both these platforms in order to collect all of your earnings over there. Then just agree the privacy policy, terms and conditions, and after that just verify this captcha and click on the register button and you're ready to start. You can even see in the right hand side people getting paid again and again by completing a task over here. So what you need to do for today is to find people that are willing to click on your link and start using these platforms in order to get paid. So you need a traffic source for today, and what I recommend you do is to go over to Facebook, which is one of the best social media platforms that you can use as a traffic source. Just write in the search bar "make money online," and after that just filter your searches by groups, and you're going to see that it's going to give you a lot of groups related to that with thousands of members, as you can see. So you just need to take part in these groups by clicking in the join button, and after that you need to start discussing with these people about different ways and websites to get paid online. Of course, you're going to mention the two platforms that I mentioned today. You just need to get their referral link and start sharing it in these groups by discussing and communicating with people that are interested. They are going to use this platform in order to complete some tasks and get paid, and you're also going to benefit because you can make money and passive income. So this is a win-win situation. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below and subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching.